Welcome back to my channel. We are going thrifting today at Goodwill. It is my favorite store, my favorite thrift store at least, even though it's too expensive in California. But here are some beautiful blue bowls. I love the fact that it's a huge set. There's like 8 of them. And sometimes at thrift stores you see odd numbers because one is broken, so they give the set away. This vase is so beautiful. I don't particularly like the gloss, but the texture on it is so pretty. I probably should have gotten that and refinished it and made it like that kind of earthy, muddy look. That would have been really pretty. That's $9. All of these little tiny little saucers, they're so cute. And this, I'm not sure what that is. It's some kind of pitcher, but I love the shape of it, although I didn't like the color. This is a threshold Target item. I think I should have gotten that. It's just pretty. I love the flowers coming out of it, the color. $14. That's why I didn't get it. I always check out the wood aisle. You can sometimes find some really interesting things here. This is an absolutely hideous, I guess, carved coconut from Hawaii. Then you have kind of some ugly antelopes. This weird looking giraffe. You find a mix of like nice and really hideous things in the wood section, but they're always very interesting. And I always see these in every thrift store I go to. The expandable bowl. People buy those because they're neat and they never use them. This is so pretty. This candlestick holder. It looks like something that belongs on an altar, like a religious altar. And these goblets are so pretty. Those are beautiful. $7 a piece. All right, guys, I'm going to spare you because I like to see the hauls. So let's get into it. Hey YouTube, it's another thrift haul. Welcome back, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, comment. I appreciate all of you who want to join me for my weekly thrift hauls. If you love home decor and thrifting, please join the family. I'm going to show you what I picked up on my last thrift trip. A few mostly kitchen items, but some a vessel as well. And I just thought they were really interesting and beautiful, and I wanted to share with you. So the first thing that I found was I was looking for a picture, and I found this one, and this is just so classic looking. It's very, I would say, traditional farmhouse for sure. My kitchen is kind of farmhouse. I have the open shelving, and but it's a bit modern as well. But I just thought that the shape of this is so classic. Like, you can't beat the shape and just the color, beautiful white. There's no brand on it, and I believe I paid $6.99 for this. Now, I do not live in a place where I can get stuff for $2 at my thrift store. I'm in California. Everything is too high here. But so anyway, for me, this was a good deal. And I love that. Second thing I picked up, oops, dropping it, was another kitchen item. I loved this container, the lid. It's like a frosted glass lid with this really fun handle. It's perfect for cookies or anything really. And the seal on it was still really good. And I believe I paid $3.99 for this one. So I actually got 2 of these bowls. And do you see this? It's like this glass, it's glass, but it's like, it's a frosted glass, but it has this marbling in it. And they're a little wet because I just washed them. But I just thought that they would make really great, just, you know, for fruit salad or potato salad or whatever you're serving, great serving dishes, and they're beautiful so they can sit out. I really love these. Do they have a brand on them? There's no brand on them. But that is just gorgeous. Look at that. I love that. Another kitchen item. Okay, this is my last kitchen item for this haul. Ignore all of this inside. Just the actual utensil holder itself. I'm not sure if it was meant to be a utensil holder, but that's what I decided to use it as. And a lot of people just put the wooden spoons. I like the fact that the gray looked well with the metal spoons as well, and I think it looks nice together with everything that I need versus just the wooden stuff, because I'm normally using this. So anyway, that marbling, obviously there's a theme here. I'm attracted to marbling and stuff, but the material is, I think it's like a ceramic. Yeah, just thought that was really, really pretty, and together it looked really, really pretty. Okay, so here is my first, this is so heavy. This is actually a vessel. And I believe I paid like $19.99 for this. It's really, really heavy. And this is very much if you're into like glam decor, this would be perfect, like on your nightstand or whatever. I am not a glam girl at all. So what I did was I just put this little fake plant, and I have the kind of fake plant kind of coming out, kind of to break up the kind of glam look and make it a little more earthy. And I really like the look of this. Let me know what you think. But I just think that this piece is really, really pretty, but it didn't really go with my home without some foliage coming out. But I really, really like that. It's very heavy. I'm always afraid I'm going to break it, so I hate moving it around. And last but not least for this haul is this vessel. I love I don't know what you call this, the texture, you know, it's just really pretty. It's about 1.5 feet. If you can see inside. And then the color is really, really nice as well. Like I don't know. This is my favorite so far. So I have some pampas grass that I'm going to put in it and sit it by my door. So I'll try to get a shot of that to show you how I styled that one. But this was, that's it actually. This is a bit of a shorter thrift haul, but I hope you enjoyed it anyway. Please let me know your favorite piece. And if you haven't, please subscribe. And I will see you next week with another thrift haul. Take care. Bye.